How much should you actually spend on a citrus juicer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Elite Gourmet Electric Juicer. The Elite Gourmet ETS 623 caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel design and powerful 40-watt motor. Priced affordably, this juicer promises efficiency and ease. If you want a reliable electric juicer that delivers smooth, fresh juice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powerful 40-watt motor extracts juice faster than standard models, which means you're not wasting any precious time during your morning routine. With a 24-ounce capacity, you can make several servings at once, perfect for families or for entertaining. Plus, the auto-reversing reamer helps to get every last drop from your fruits, while the built-in pulp control means you can enjoy juice just how you like it. Plus, it's compact enough for small kitchens. Now, some people complained about it being a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, while it's quieter than many models, it might still be noticeable in a super quiet kitchen. But if you're looking for speed and efficiency, I think it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you love making juice in batches and want something easy to clean. Skip this one if you prefer a manual juicer or enjoy a quieter appliance. For its price, you're getting great value. Now, if the noise factor concerns you, the next one is a manual option that might be just what you need.
Product number 2, Zule Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. The Zule Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer is a heavy-duty manual option that instantly stands out with its sturdy build and classic design. At $99.99, it's positioned as a premium tool for serious juice lovers. If you want to squeeze out every last drop without relying on electricity, this is worth a serious look. Why does this matter? This juicer is engineered to maximize juice extraction effortlessly. The 5-inch bowl accommodates everything from limes to grapefruits, and its heavy-duty cast iron construction means it can handle continuous use without breaking a sweat. The lever arm provides serious mechanical advantage, making juicing quick and easy. If you're someone who enjoys making cocktails or fresh juice regularly, this is a dream come true. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit bulky and heavy. But here's the thing, if you're committed to fresh juice and don't mind a bit of heft for durability, this juicer is built to last. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish manual juicer that can handle high volumes. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight electric option. It's a solid investment for the serious juicer. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual users who want convenience.
Product number 3, Black & Decker Electric Citrus Juicer. We have the Black & Decker CJ625 Electric Citrus Juicer. This one's a budget-friendly option with a 32-ounce capacity. It's easy to use and perfect for quick juicing. If you want something simple that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The pressure-activated juicing mechanism means you can juice with just a gentle push, and the adjustable pulp control lets you decide how much pulp gets into your juice. It's perfect if you have different preferences in your household. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now, some customers mentioned it feels a bit flimsy compared to more robust models, but honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid juicer that performs well for everyday use, ideal for those who juice occasionally. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-use juicer for occasional use. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty. It offers great value for the price. If you need something a bit more specialized, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 4, KitchenAid Citrus Juice Press. The KitchenAid Citrus Juice Press is a compact, stylish option designed mainly for lemons and limes. It's built from durable aluminum and focuses on ease of use, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. If you want a no-mess juicing experience, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this juicer is the integrated spout and seed catcher. It allows for clean pouring with minimal mess. You won't have to worry about pulp or seeds ruining your drink. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, which is a huge plus for busy kitchens. It sits flat on the counter, giving you leverage to squeeze without straining your wrist. However, it's not designed for larger fruits, which may frustrate some users. But here's the thing, if you primarily juice lemons and limes, this tool is fantastic and makes the task easy. This is perfect for you if you mostly juice small citrus fruits and want a hassle-free experience. Skip this one if you need a juicer that can handle larger fruits. It's a great value for its quality. Now, if you're looking for something that packs a punch with a bit more versatility, let's check out the last one. Product number 5, Levenlong Electric Orange Juicer. The Levenlong Electric Orange Juicer is compact and designed for high juice yield. Priced at just $26.99, it's incredibly budget-friendly while still offering solid features. If you want an efficient juicer that doesn't take up much space, this is worth a serious look. The 2 cones ensure maximum juice extraction from all sizes of citrus, and the transparent 24-ounce container allows you to see exactly how much juice you're getting. The anti-pulp system is a nice touch for those who want clean juice without fuss. It's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts that make cleanup quick. Some users have mentioned it can be a bit less powerful than higher-end models, but here's the thing, for the price and convenience, it delivers a lot of value for casual juicing. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, space-saving juicer. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty or if you juice a lot. It's an excellent value for the price.
The Elite Gourmet is great for efficiency. The Zule Kitchen offers durability. Black & Decker is perfect for budget-conscious users. KitchenAid excels in simplicity, and Lebenlang is ideal for occasional juicers. Each has its strengths depending on what you need. Choose wisely and enjoy your fresh juice.